The expanded Rice Credit Assistance Program, Rice Competitive Enhancement Fund, pondo from the national government allocated to finance farmers, gihatag dito sa agriculture, gi-channel sa LandBank. So, ang target borrower is individual small rice farmers registered in the sila mo rehistro, sila mo adto nilang i-enroll, sila mo approve nga registered ka under this SBSA, free ang insurance and more incentives if under you are enrolled. Another borrower nga accredited or eligible are accredited cooperatives with rice farmers as members. So kani nga program is solely for rice production. Registered, no outstanding loan for the same project, walay adverse finding, na training nga improvide ang agriculture on rice production. Pareho lang sa ASEP, pero ang iyang number 8, technical training on rice-related projects. Loan purpose, working capital to purchase farm inputs, acquisition of machineries, and for cooperatives, farm inputs, working capital, machineries, and establishment of facilities. Mamaura pero sole related for rice industry. Pareho, 2% per annum. And kung through accredited co-op is 0%, not to exceed 6% when relent to end users or small farmers and fishers. As small farmers, loanable amount is 90% of total project cost with 10% equity, 90% sa accredited co-op. Kung nakay rice loans nga 100 million, we can lend out to these cooperatives 90 million provided ang imong pass due rate is not above 25%.